Hey there, homeowners of Coachella Valley. Today we're diving into a topic that might not be the most glamorous but is oh so important: plumbing inspections. I have some eye-opening stories that might save you from a plumbing nightmare. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Water damage. It's not just an inconvenience. It can be downright disastrous. But here's the thing. It's often preventable with a simple plumbing inspection. So, why should you bother with a plumbing inspection? Well, let me give you 3 big reasons. First up, preventing costly repairs. Picture this. You're enjoying a quiet evening at home when suddenly you hear the dreaded drip, drip, drip. Ignoring it might seem like the easy option, but trust me, that little leak can turn into a big problem real fast. A plumbing inspection can catch those sneaky leaks early on, saving you a ton of money in the long run.
It really saved me a headache.
Next on our list, safety. Faulty plumbing isn't just about inconvenience. It can pose serious safety risks to you and your family. From gas leaks to mold growth, the dangers are real. But with a thorough inspection, you can nip these hazards in the bud and keep your home safe and sound.
We had no clue there was a gas leak until Anthem Plumbing came in for an inspection. It's scary to think what could have happened if we hadn't caught it in time.
Last but not least, let's talk about home value. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to maintain your investment, a plumbing inspection is key. Potential buyers won't hesitate to walk away if they smell trouble, literally. But with a clean bill of health from a professional plumber, you can boost your home's value and appeal.
Stop. You hear that? It's the snap, crackle, pop into the water heater. Happens when cold water from the city enters into your water heater, mixing with your 125 degree temperature water heater, creating causing an expanding and contracting of the metal within the water heater. This is a result of lack of maintenance and or age wear and tear. Did you know that it is a manufacturer's recommendation to flush your water heater at least once a year? This will prevent unnecessary wear and tear and extend the life of your water heater. Doing this one time a year will also prevent other catastrophic failures within the home, as the water heater is the largest appliance in the home. So if you don't want Rice Krispies in your cup in the morning for breakfast, please give us a call and schedule your $79 water heater safety inspection.
Thanks to Anthem Plumbing, we were able to list our home confidently, knowing that everything was in tip-top shape. It made all the difference in the selling process.
So there you have it. 3 compelling reasons to schedule that plumbing inspection pronto. Don't wait until it's too late. And speaking of inspections, if you're in the Coachella Valley and need a reliable plumber, look no further than Anthem Plumbing. Our team is here to keep your pipes happy and your home safe. Give us a call today.